Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Toddler Halloween Crafts is probably one of the most engaging and memorable ways to celebrate Halloween with your little ones, offering a fantastic opportunity for toddlers aged 2 to 4 to explore their creativity, develop fine motor skills, and enjoy the festive spirit through hands-on activities that are both fun and educational, making this Halloween extra special and memorable for your family. Number 5. Easy Playhouse Haunted Castle. It's time to get creative. Color, draw, and decorate this cardboard castle to make it your own. Add stickers, markers, or paint to bring the spooky characters to life. This isn't just a castle, it's a magical world waiting to be explored. Use it as a fort, a playhouse, or even a spooky Halloween hideout. With windows, doors, and even a mail slot, it's perfect for imaginative play. Send and receive letters, or have a Halloween trick-or-treating party. It's sturdy, durable, and easy to assemble. This castle is built to withstand hours of indoor and outdoor fun. Give the gift of creativity and imagination. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids will love creating and playing for hours. What we like? If you are looking for a large-scale creative project that can be used both indoors and outdoors, this is a great option. It allows for imaginative roleplay and can be personalized to your child's liking. This is perfect for kids who love to build and decorate their own spaces, fostering creativity and hours of fun. What people say. Very durable, so much fun, easy to assemble. Lots of area for multiple kids to use. Honestly, I ordered this thinking it would be a few minutes of entertainment for the kids, but it was hours of fun. I had a house full of kids from 2 to 13 years old staying for the weekend. The kids had a lot of fun coloring, even my kids that do not enjoy coloring much. All 3 of my kids, ages 7, 5, and 2, loved coloring on this haunted castle. They colored for about an hour each time on 3 to 4 separate days and loved playing. Number 4. Halloween Sticker Book. It's Halloween time. Get ready for some spooky fun with this amazing sticker book. This book has tons of cute Halloween stickers and 12 spooky scenes right next to each other. No more flipping back and forth. Look! The cover even glows in the dark, adding to the Halloween excitement. It's the first Halloween sticker book with spiral binding, so it lies flat. Perfect for little laps and busy tables. With 500 plus stickers and coloring pages, it's packed with creative activities. It's a great way to keep kids entertained on road trips or rainy days. It's more than just stickers, it's an educational and creative experience. Kids can build their own spooky scenes with zombies, vampires, and more. Looking for a fun and engaging alternative to candy this Halloween? This sticker book is the perfect choice. It's the ideal travel companion for kids aged 4 to 8. Keep them busy and happy on planes, in cars, or anywhere you go. Perfect for a rainy day activity at home, or a fun screen-free alternative. It's a great way to spark creativity and imagination. What we like? If you're looking for a convenient and engaging activity for your child, especially during travel, this sticker book is perfect. Its unique spiral binding and combination of stickers and scenes make it ideal for keeping little ones occupied on the go. It's a great alternative to screen time and promotes creativity. What people say. Brilliant yet simple idea for the stickers to be on the same page as what you stick them to. The stickers are a nice quality and reusable because they peel off easily. Endless fun. My toddler and 4th grader loved it equally. Stickers can be picked up and replaced more than one time to decorate and redecorate scenes or used permanently on the matching coloring pages. The stickers are good quality and the plastic-coated pages make it easy to remove and replace the stickers. Number 3. Max Fun Halloween Craft Kit. Get ready for some spooky fun. This craft kit has everything you need to create unique Halloween decorations. It's packed with 200 foam stickers, 36 foam pumpkins, googly eyes, expression stickers, cords, and colorful pens. Everything is in a handy paper box. Made from soft, non-toxic EVA foam, it's perfect for kids. They're durable and smooth, so they'll last a long time. Each pumpkin is just the right size for small hands to decorate. They're approximately 5.30 by 6.0 inches and a vibrant orange color. Let your imagination run wild. Draw, write, and decorate the pumpkins. It's a great activity to do with your kids. Use them to decorate for Halloween parties, cards, bulletin boards, or give them as fun gifts. The possibilities are endless. What we like. If your child enjoys hands-on activities and loves to decorate, this craft kit is perfect. It provides a fun way to create unique Halloween decorations. The soft foam material is safe and easy to handle, making it suitable for younger children. It's a great way to get creative and add a personal touch to your Halloween celebrations. What people say. The pieces are well made. My daughter loves the ease of decorating these pumpkins. Plenty of pumpkins and plenty of stickers, they will last us all month long. Granddaughters love them, easy to draw on. Number 2. For ease, Novelty Halloween Crafts. It's time for some spooky fun. This craft kit has everything you need to create adorable Halloween monsters. With stickers, pom-poms, feathers, wiggle eyes, and magnets, it's a complete package. Each kit is pre-packaged for easy individual use. You get 12 kits, each making a different silly monster. There are 4 fun designs, with 3 of each. They're perfect for decorating lockers or refrigerators. It's super easy to assemble. The foam stickers are self-adhesive, and the kit includes adhesive dots for the other pieces. It's a perfect mess-free craft activity. These crafts are great for Halloween parties, classrooms, or even just a fun family activity. They're suitable for kids aged 3 to 12 and even adults. These aren't just for Halloween, they're a great fall craft project too. Get creative and make some spooky cute monster magnets. What we like. If you need a simple yet engaging craft activity for multiple children, this bulk pack is perfect. Each kit is self-adhesive and includes everything needed to create fun, non-scary monsters. The magnetic backing allows for easy display, making it a great classroom or party activity. It's mess-free and easy for young children to handle. What people say. These sticky back foam pieces were clear and easy to apply. Love that they have a sticky back magnet to apply. Put on refrigerator for display. Kids loved so much they made 2 each. They are still on my fridge and it's almost Christmas. Great quality. This is an easy and fun activity for kids. They can pick their own style and colors. It keeps them busy. Doesn't leave a mess. We made ours into cute fridge magnets. The quality is great and long-lasting. Number 1. For ease, Halloween Mask Kit. Get ready for some spooky fun. This kit makes creating your own Halloween mask super easy and fun for everyone. It's easy to use, simply peel and stick the colorful foam pieces to create unique designs. No glue needed. With tons of different shapes and colors, you can let your imagination run wild and create any mask you can imagine. These are great for Halloween parties, classroom activities, or even just a fun afternoon at home. It's perfect for kids of all ages. Let your creativity shine and make some unforgettable Halloween memories with this amazing craft kit. Show off your unique creations. It's so simple to use, even the youngest crafters can join in the fun. No special skills or tools are needed. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, you can rest assured that it's perfect for kids. Have fun crafting without worries. What we like. If you're looking for a quick and easy craft project for a party or classroom, this self-adhesive mask kit is perfect. It requires minimal preparation and cleanup, making it ideal for group activities. The finished masks are fun and festive, making them a great party favor or classroom activity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.